Welcome to Israel, a land where ancient history meets modern innovation. Here, every sunrise tells a story thousands of years old, and every sunset paints the sky with the colors of faith, hope, and discovery. From the golden beaches of Tel Aviv to the tranquil waters of the Sea of Galilee, Israel is a country of contrasts, where desert sands meet fertile valleys and sacred silence meets the rhythm of life. Walk through the Negev desert as the sun dips below the horizon, and you'll feel the timeless beauty that has inspired poets and prophets alike. Israel is not only a land of history, it's a land of progress. Known worldwide as the startup nation, it thrives on creativity and technology. Its cities pulse with energy. Tel Aviv's nightlife sparkles, Haifa's gardens bloom, and Jerusalem stands eternal, bridging the past and the present. Jerusalem, the capital, the heart, the soul, the city sacred to Jews, Christians, and Muslims. Here, the Western Wall whispers prayers carried through centuries. The Dome of the Rock glows under the golden light, and the Church of the Holy Sepulchre welcomes pilgrims from every corner of the world. Every stone, every alley, every echo tells a story of faith and resilience. Step into the old city's narrow streets, where the scent of spices fills the air and merchants call out with warmth and laughter. Taste the local cuisine, hummus, falafel, fresh bread baked in ancient ovens. And you'll understand that food here is more than nourishment, it's tradition. Beyond the landmarks, Israel is defined by its people, warm, welcoming, and proud. They open their homes and hearts to visitors, sharing stories that span generations. You'll find kindness in a smile, wisdom in a conversation, and joy in every celebration. From the Dead Sea's healing waters to the lush hills of Galilee, from the modern skyline of Tel Aviv to the sacred calm of Jerusalem, Israel invites you to explore, to feel, and to believe.